Hello everyone, today we shall discuss question number 2.6 of the chapter motion in a straight line. You see how we solve this question. This is number 1. We are giving this solution that plot of the particle executing simple one-dimensional simple harmonic motion. We will learn and find give the signs of position, velocity and acceleration variables of the particle at time t equal to 0.3 second, 1.2 second, 1.2 second and minus 1.2 second. Let us find this is time, this is x. Okay, let us find it here. For a simple harmonic motion, for a simple harmonic motion, for a simple harmonic motion of a particle, SHM of a particle acceleration is given by the relation angular frequency now one at t is equal to 0.3 second. In this time interval, 0.3 second, this one, in this time interval x is negative. In this time interval x is negative, that the position is negative. Thus the slope of the xt plot, the slope of the xt plot will also be negative. However, is in equation 1. However, here the acceleration is positive. So at t equal to 0.3 second, we get that position is negative, velocity is negative, but acceleration is positive. But acceleration is positive. Acceleration is positive. This is the first case. I go to the second case. At time t is equal to 1.2 second. At time t equal to 1.2 second, in this time interval, both velocity, position in this time interval x is positive, So the slope the slope of the xt plot will also be positive. So position and velocity are positive. Position and velocity are positive. Position and velocity are positive, but acceleration of the particle, but acceleration of the particle is negative. Right? Now I go to the third at the equation time t equal to uh, minus 1 by 2 second. So we'll find what will happen in case 3. In case 3, we can find here that in case 3 we'll find that at the time 1 minus 1.2 second, what will happen? Minus 1.2 second. At the point, this point, number 3, at time equal to minus 1.2 second, at this point minus 1.2, right? Here we find that x is negative. X is negative. X is negative. So the slope will also be negative. Also be negative. Also be negative. Since both x and t are negative, since both x and t are negative, since both x and t are negative, the velocity comes to be positive. And here also the acceleration of the particle will be positive. Acceleration of the particle will be positive. Here you see x is at point minus t minus 1.2 second. X is negative. The slope will also be negative. Since both x and t are negative, the velocity comes to be positive. And here also the acceleration of the particle will be positive. Thank you everybody for watching this video.